Hello everyone, this is Curtis with Weed Whacker Lawn Care. Hey, today it's February the 4th, 2019, and I'm out doing some lawn care work this morning. I just finished up a property. It's one of my regulars here. Let me give you a quick view of it. I'm just going to show you the front. I already taken care of the back and everything, so I'm on the go here right now. Okay, here we go. It's this here property here, and I've had it in a video before where I've done it and I got caught in the rain doing this here property last year. So I'm doing it again here this year in 2019. So just giving you a quick view of it. It wasn't much, it just had a few weeds on it, bushed up there. So I was able to just take and whack them down there some along the side of the house. As you can see on the other side, the way those weeds are growing up beside the house, it was kind of bushing up like that on this side, but I got them down there so you can see that portion there. But anyway, y'all, I'm just giving y'all a quick view of what I just taken care of, so I'm finna head out of here and see if I can get to my next one here right now. Just stay tuned. If I get a chance, I'll show you that one. Okay. Okay everyone, I just arrived at another property that I'm finna take care of. Let me give you a quick view of it. Okay, here we go. It's this one right here. As you can see, it just needs to be edged up a little bit. Yep, gotta edge it up. Sidewalk. Around the foundation. Got some roots over here. Hedges need trimming. Okay, I'm gonna take care of that and take care of the hedges right there. Okay, and you can see along here some more of those weeds up around the foundation and around the fence. Okay, so we're gonna get that all taken care of here. Let's see what else. Okay, so we're just walking along. Let's see, let's walk over on this side and see. Okay, it's right here. It's falling from the tree. I have to pick that up. Okay, and we got this over here. Walking to the back, y'all. Let's look at the back. See what the back looks like. Got some more weeds around here. Okay. Let's see, it's kind of wet here. So let's see. Okay. Not too bad. Not too bad. It's a little wet back here though. Got a board to pick that up. Okay, but see, just a lot of weeds along the fence line and everything here we can see. We're gonna get this looking good here in a minute. Let's see if I can trim this here up, get it out the way. Okay, yeah. Okay, so this here is what I'm working with. Okay, so let's see if we can get it all cleaned up. Okay. Yep. Okay, yeah. Let me see if I can get in here right quick and get this one taken care of. So I'm just giving y'all a quick view. I gotta work fast because I got a number of things I gotta do today. Okay, just stay tuned. Okay, I'll give y'all an after view once I get this one here all cleaned up. Okay. Okay everyone, I'm back to give you an after view of the way the property turned out after mowing and edging and trimming the hedges and mowing the yard. Here we go. This here's the way the property looked now after me taking care of it. As you can see, I was able to get in there and trim those hedges and edge up everything. We're gonna walk around over here. Let's see. Take a look at the other side. Okay, here we go. All right, this here's the way the side looks. Now we're gonna walk to the back and take a look at that. You know, in the beginning, the way the back looked, it had a lot of that, just those old weeds popping up against the fence and around the foundation of the home. So now, let's take a look at it and see. This is the way it looks now. We got all the grass around the fence taken care of. Hey, I know when I was taking care of this, it was I was trimming, and there was a big old snake. It crawled up on that 2x4 there and was, well, resting. I think it was a copperhead there, but I got him. But anyway, y'all, here we go. This is the way it looks after taking care of it, getting it all mowed down and trimming up the weeds there. And in here, this ground is still kind of sagging wet here due to the fact it's been raining a lot, so I wasn't too wet where I could actually mow it. But okay, y'all, I managed to get this one all taken care of, so I'm off to my next journey now. Oh, I gotta go across town. Okay, yeah, just stay tuned. I get a chance, I share that one with you. Alrighty. Okay, everyone, I just showed up at another property I'm finna take care of. Let me give you a quick view of it. It's this one right here. You can see it's got a lot of weeds in it. These normally grow from the winter. They just pop up, these old clover-like. But I'm gonna see if I can get in here and trim this one here up. We're just looking at it, see how it's looking right here. And it's all the way to the back here, to that van down to the end. Just looking at it though, but I'm gonna see if I can get this here all cleaned up here. We're just walking over it. Let's see how the back looks. Okay, yeah, you can see the back. It's not that much over there in the back. So I'm gonna see if I can get it all cleaned up, y'all. Okay, just looking at what all I got to tackle here. You can see this little portion here. So I'm gonna see if I can get in here and knock this one out right quick, and then I'll head to the next job. Okay, yeah, I get a chance, so I'll give you an after view of the way the property turned out after I finish cleaning it up there. All right. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna give you a view of it. I just finished up this here property. Let me give you a quick view so I can head off to my next one here. Here we go. This here's the way the front look. You can see I mowed it, edged it up, had a lot of weeds in it. I recommend to the customer get some weed and feed for it. But that's the way the front portion of it look. Let's take a look at the side over here. This here's the way the side looks here. I was able to get those weeds knocked down. There's a lot of weeds in there though. But I'm just giving y'all an after view of the way the property turned out after working on it there. Let me take a look here, give you a quick view of the back. That's the way the back looks back there. So I was able to get all that taken care of, y'all. So like I say, just giving y'all a quick view of it. I'm finna head off, see if I can get another one to do taken care of here today. Been quite busy, gonna be busy all week here. So I'm just running. I'm running here today. But anyway, y'all, stay tuned. If I get a chance, I'll see if I can share another one with y'all. All right, I got to go now. Bye.